What to do, what to do, what to do. I know what to do. I'm going to get some chicken at KFC.
Welcome to KFC. Can I get you anything?
Just a large chicken bucket.
That will be $30.
Crap. I don't have any money. What am I gonna do? I know, I can just pretend I'm ordering it by sneaking out the back door. Thank you. I just have to take a quick bathroom break before I order. Ha ha ha, dumb idiot. Oh, that hits the spot.
Dark Yellow Goon. Where did you get that chicken?
From KFC.
I hope you paid for it.
Oh, I did. Yellow Goon, Red Goon, and Orange Goon. You all don't have to do anything else.
Okay. Thanks.
Hello? Dark Yellow Goon did what? Okay. We'll tell him. Thanks. Bye. Give us that chicken bucket.
Red Goon, Yellow Goon and Orange Goon. I told you all I paid for it.
That's not what the cashier said to us. He said he saw you sneaking out the back door on the security camera. You lied to us.
Say no more, Dark Yellow Goon. You're grounded for 864 years. We're taking the chicken bucket back to KFC.
No please. No 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 no. Crap. Well, it was delicious, while it lasted.